see it there, you know. But this time simmer come in, you know. That's how it tastes.
Yeah, really.
Yeah guys, out here at it again, you know. Yeah man, today we are cook some pumpkin rice, some stewed chicken. Yeah man, so you know the thing go, so we are showing how we deal with it, you see me? Yeah man, that is it. There in the studio yard there, you know. Yeah man, give him face up and run in our card studio over there. You see me? I run a look a quick pot in idea, you know? Yeah man. So, I'll set out the thing them, you know. So them here, I will season them, you know guys. Just get them from the shop fresh, you know. Yeah man, so I'll cut and clean them up out just up on the cutting table there, you know. You know the thing go. So pumpkin rice today, you know guys. Stewed chicken, you know. Pumpkin are nice though. Good one Maggie them, you know. Don't know say this away vinegar to wash off the chicken, you know. So the chicken we are working with today, you know. Good chicken, you know. You know, so there's a couple of wings in this still, but I don't know we are working. We are working it work. So we all put them in there. Go on, towel, you see me? That is it. Vinegar. Put some vinegar on it in the meantime. Don't know that I will kill the rawness, you know? Yeah, man. I don't know the thing about. The rice, yeah man, so you don't know we have a scallion our time and you know Irish our carrot we go in at the meat and cook them, you know. Yeah man, and this man I love me season them, you know, so you see it go. The man this like cut noodle, you know. Yeah, don't know that I go in on rice. You see me? Yeah man, so you know all this I go and do a thing. So I go and thaw out, I go and peel up thing them, you know. Yeah man. no matter of fact, I can put on the pot on the stove right now. So catch you doing that now. Make it go and boil up for throwing the pumpkin, you see it? Yeah man. Yeah man, so I'll deal with the pumpkin and all that guys. Yeah man. Shred up piece and I go cut up some, make it fine, make it boil out, you know? Yeah man. Pumpkin are rich and nice, you know guys. Water boil, so throw in the pumpkin, you know. Water boil, throw in the pumpkin, make it warm. Jelly, you know. Wash them already, you know. Put in a 1 pepper. Wash already. Don't know. Put in some time. Wash already. That is it, you know. Yeah man, see it there? That smell good, you know guys. Yeah man, so you don't know me, I'm a Maggi season them to drop in it and them sitting there already, so just make the pumpkin boil out in the water. You get what me I say? Yeah man, and then wash your rice and drop in, you know. Because me cat no go, you know it thing go. Yeah man, up. Yeah man, so don't know. There upon it. So this is the shredder. So I'm gonna shred a piece of pumpkin here. You have it for going at the rice, you know? Yeah man, so at it man. So I'll cut up the chicken and have it ready. See that? See that guys? This one here I go wicked as your colors did I say. Yeah man, time for deal with the good old chicken and all, you know. Yeah man. Don't know the thing though. Cut up time, you know. Yeah man, we tilt this down a bit before we can see what. Now some people love skin pan chicken, me not like it. So I take off every skin off of my chicken. My chicken have to clean up good. Mostly all the KFC or when me have French fry, you know? Yeah. Then I have to peel off for me. Pumpkin on the fire boil out for your rice, you know, guys. Yeah. Don't know, we'd wash the chicken already with vinegar, you know. Yeah, man. See that? Clean. That is it. Yeah man guys, now take time run on the seasoning and all, you see me? Yeah, man. So This them call season to the bone. You understand? I like my pimento them, you know, so. A little jerk, you know. Yeah. So a little jerk. Keep the flavor up, you know. Little chicken season, spice. You don't have to put much, you know, so little. Yeah. You know what is the good old Maggi all purpose. Put the whole of this in there now.
You don't see it that much.
Alright, see, scallion. Have some cut up already, but this I'm gonna beat it up and rub it in, you see me? Yeah, man. Pass, beat it up, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. Crushed 2 garlic put in there as well. Come on, crush them, you know. Cut a piece of onion in there. But just to season up the chicken, you know. Don't know when it cook down, it have the next set of season them, I go in again. You understand? See it there? Have it. I don't know when I use salt for meat, you know. I don't know the season them. Already have in it salt already. You understand? So just have to leave this to go and marinate after we throw a little brown in. Leave them saying it. Alright, so you know what time it is. We already have a pepper then, so just I'll take out a few of them. Cut up already. Yeah, go on. You say murder Janga them yesterday?
Yeah?
You say murder Janga them with you?
Yeah, but
The water do what? Amal. Oh. Tell me how that look, no, man. Oh God, man. I want you to go nice. Well set, you know, guys. That is it. Throwing the cotton over here now, you know, guys. How that look, guys. Yeah, man, so you know, see, I season with butter now. Put in a little butter, make them go and melt out, and you know, Maggi all purpose and all of them things there, you know. Spice it up, you know. See, we can set this. Yeah, man, that is it. A little oil in there, you know. Rich. All this good old Maggi all purpose. Throwing put like a salt in there already. Make sure it's alright and thing. I'm on the right level, you know. Little Maggi all purpose, you know. So little changes, you know. One here go wicked. Just left a little here and put in the rice, you know. I get the rice sort out, you know. You know, I think go. But ready for your rice, you know. See your rice here, wash and wait. So I'm going to throw it in, you know. Yeah, man. a little bit too much, so now check it. Now after I check it, this side I should take out of it, you know. What a good guys. No man, so that is it, you know. Chicken time now. That is it. Yeah, man. Rice over here, sir. Chicken around here, sir. That is it. Get in some oil now, you know. Pepper, you know. The oil and food of flavor you want. Smell it, yeah man, a nice pepper too, you know. Yeah man. That is it. You know what that means. Pepper go out with big things. Alright, I'll take them out now and drop in the chicken, you know. This is it, you know, guys. Cover it down, you know, it go and simmer, you know. So I cut up my Irish and my carrot and I don't know everything ready for jelly in the pot. The chicken done simmer down the right way, you know. Yeah man, so I don't know where thing go up. See it there, you know. That touch time simmer and I come in, you know. Yeah man. That is it. Just allow it to go and do the thing, you know. Yeah man. So guys, see eh? That come on, you know. Pumpkin rice, you know. So I go and steam out little, you know. Can't make it too stick up in the bottom, you know. Shift it up a little bit. You know the thing go. Yeah man. Time for the seasoning now, you know. Everything cooked down and nice, you know. Seasoning the pot, you know, Yeah. Yeah man guys, so one hand. Yeah, I just throw in the seasoning, you know. Throw in the seasoning, you know. A little water. The simmer down, you know. Well nice. Spicy and nice, you know. The pepper them wicked. Just right, you know. Yeah man. That is it. Look at this. Rice almost ready, you know guys. See that? Rice almost ready. That is it. Ready. Just right, you know. Yeah man, almost ready guys. Ready, you know. Ready, you know. Alright. Sharing time and all, see? Alright. So I'm gonna share them out and then show them what I'm going, see? Alright. That's it. Yeah man, sharing time guys. See the pumpkin rice I go on. Up and ready. That is it. Rub it by your shirt. Show now a bit of the see that? Fully sort out, you know. One down, you know guys.
What's still on there?
Black off, man.
No. You know when I will stop boiling.
I'm not tired of you to lock you off. Alright, that is it, you know. Out of the pot, you know. Alright, see? So I'm going. How that look, guys? How that look? That is it, you know. Well prepared and set. You see it? So I go dig in and now, guys. So I don't know the thing though. More blessings, you know. Up. Talk to them and tell them how I want. Nice food over there.
Some people, man.
That's how it tastes.
Wait. I'm sampling rice by itself. Telling me the truth to the peeps.
Pumpkin rice, you know.
Oh God, man. Sample it would look like gravy, you know.
She don't want to on the camera right now, so I'm not put her how it tastes.
Bad. Up. 100.
You hear that? So I'm gonna dig in a mine, you know, guys. So go and big up on yourself. You see me I say? Yeah man, this is in the studio. As you see at the studio over there, I do some work and you see me? Run a little pot, you know? Yeah man, so go and big up on yourself. Yeah man. Time to come, we're gonna show you how I go on. You know, the mixing and all of them things there. Yeah? Yeah man, that is it. Up. Game face up and running records, you know. One of the baddest records around town. And video shoot boss, you know. Game face entertainment boss. That's the thing there. More blessings, big up on yourself. And catching up on the next one.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
You hear that? Yeah man, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Robinson Family TV. Big up on yourself. Out. Man, I plate.
Try.
Plate empty.
Bad man.
See my plate here? Almost done. You see it? Yeah man. Food nice, you know guys. Pumpkin rice and stew chicken. Good. Alright guys. That's our left out tight, you know. Yeah man. Plate shine. Yeah man, belly full up, you know. Give thanks for the look of day, you know. Yeah man, so don't know. So sign off a plate here and go put in some work, you know, in the studio, you know. So go and big up on yourself, man. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Yeah man. We up there. Up there.
Out. Lean.
Where you born them there?
Dog, you have it, man.
The money,
See that on the
know. So one around the side. Free the camera. Plate shine, you know.